Okay, so after you have all your components out, you're going to want to make sure you have your motherboard and RAM on this anti-static plate that comes with this. And then in my case, I had to take these clips off on either side here, just because my CPU fan did not call for those brackets to be on. So then after you have that, on every motherboard, there's a little clip here that will unlock. So this is locked and this is unlocked. And then, not sure if you guys can see, but in this corner right there, there's a little arrow that's going to get matched up to the arrow that is on the CPU processor, as you can see in the bottom right. So you're going to take this and match that arrow up. Just need to... Well, before you do that, you want to make sure your processor pins are all straight. So just glance at them at eye level. After you've done that, you're going to take that arrow, match it up, just 1 second, and make sure your socket is unlocked, and just gently place it in. You're just going to slide it in. You'll feel it drop in, so you don't want to push on any pressure right now. So once it slides in, you're going to push this down and clip it underneath here. So then we will take the RAM and we'll have the RAM slot open. As you can see, it's now open. We'll take the RAM and we will line it up. So this is not the right way. So we'll put it in like this. It's sort of hard to do with one hand. And then push it down, and then you hear it click. Both of these pins on either side will click into place as you push it down evenly. So after we have that installed, we're going to take, at least in my case, I'm going to take the stock CPU cooler, which came with my Ryzen 1600. And as you can see, there's thermal paste on here already, and we will line it up. Sorry about that. As I was fiddling around, I got some thermal paste on my hand. As you can see, it's fingerprints on there, but it's not the end of the world. So we're going to line these two screws up with the holes on the CPU, and we're just going to put it over now, line it up, and I'm going to have to put the phone down. So once you put this on like this, you can't really take it off because the thermal paste will come off. So I'm just going to pause the video again quickly. Okay, so I had to pause the video because I needed to hold down the screwdriver for the screw here, and here, here, and here. So you just want to take your screwdriver that's non-magnetic and tighten them just like hand tightly, not too tight, so it's on there nice and firm. Nothing's going to crack. And then after you have that, you're going to take this cord and plug it into the CPU fan. So mine has 2 spots there and some more over here. Your board will vary. I'm just going to plug mine in up over here. Then there's a little connector, so you can see, that will click in down here. So after that is in,